In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your MacBook Pro. Updating your Mac is important for several reasons. First, it helps to keep your Mac secure by fixing any security vulnerabilities that may have been discovered. Second, it can improve the performance of your Mac by fixing bugs and adding new features. And third, it can sometimes be necessary to update your Mac in order to install new software. To update your MacBook Pro, you'll need to make sure that your Mac is connected to the internet and plugged into power. Here are some additional tips for updating your MacBook Pro. Back up your Mac before updating. This will help protect your data in case something goes wrong during the update process. Make sure you have enough storage space available. The update file may require a significant amount of storage space, so make sure you have at least 10 gigabytes of free space before starting the update. Restart your Mac after the update is complete. This will help ensure that all of the new changes are applied correctly once you've done that. Follow these steps. Open System Preferences by clicking the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Preferences from the drop-down menu. Click on Software Update. If there are any updates available, click Update Now. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Sometimes it might ask you for the password for the username. Write it down and click OK. The download of the update will start. Then it will install. After the installation is complete, the system may need to restart. Please save all the data that you are working on so the restart will not affect your work. Click on Restart Now. Now the update has been applied. That's it. I hope this video helped you learn how to update your MacBook Pro. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.